So I made a DIY air purifier because I was desperate. I can say that they don't work as well as you'd think they would. I think part of it is because the fan is not powerful enough, or that it's not centered. Though only this fan is actually connected. I did think that they were both on one vent intake, but I don't think they are anymore. Yeah, just don't build your own unless you have a really powerful fan, because this did not go well. So I'm just like recording it before I tear it down. I bought this thing instead. It's good. I like it. It doesn't have DRM, if you've been looking at my Twitter. Like certain Levoit. Wait, no, that was Blue Air. Blue Air. Levoit just has reliability issues. I even used a Levoit box as a part of this. So yeah, just recording this before I tear it down. Because I need a window fan again. I did it with tape. Could you tell? Yeah, I probably could have done this better. I don't know. Maybe without the carbon filter? Like this carbon thing? I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, see you next time. Bye.